Let's start our topic now, Jason.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so today we'll focus on identity awareness concept, Jason. Okay.
Okay.
In checkpoint firewall device, you can say identity awareness, and in Fortinet, you can say firewall authentication concept.
Okay,
So
authentication. Yeah.
why we need identity awareness concept for full visibility? Remember, I told you the scenario. Okay, for full visibility, we can use user ID topic in Palo Alto. In Checkpoint, we can go with identity awareness, and in Fortinet, we can go with firewall authentication. Okay, my point is, if you have a gateway device, okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you have a gateway device and this portion is your LAN side portion,
Yeah.
have multiple computers this side, multiple computers. Okay, this side portion is your ISP side network, ISP side network.
Okay.
So as per your access policy, traffic
Mm-hmm.
is traveling. Traffic is traveling through the firewall device. So now
Yeah.
my point is this inside machine, this 192.168, 10.10, for example, he's trying to
Mm-hmm.
communicate with this outside server 8.8.8. And as per your access policy, traffic is traveling. Okay. Traffic
Okay.
is traveling. Now, as a firewall administrator, if I'm trying to verify my log information, if someone
Mm-hmm.
will hit on access policy, I want to
Yeah.
verify log information. So in log, I can only get I can only get source IP information, source zone information, destination IP information, destination zone information. That's it. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know which user account.
Okay.
Okay. So for full visibility, we can go with user ID concept, or you can
Mm-hmm.
say in checkpoint, we can go with identity awareness
Okay.
for full visibility.
Okay.
So what we can do, we can create user account. We can create user account in local database.
Mm-hmm.
Local database. If you are working in a small network, so yes, you
Yeah.
can create user account in local storage.
Mm-hmm.
And these user accounts you can use in your policy configuration.
Mm-hmm.
In case if you are working in a big network where you have
Yeah.
remote authentication server like you have Radius or you have TechX server or you
Yeah.
have LDAP server or Microsoft Active Directory server, you can say
Mm-hmm.
ADDS.
Yeah.
If you have remote authentication server, so no problem, you can do your integration. This is just a database. These are
Okay.
what? These are just database. Either
Mm-hmm.
you can use local database, okay, or you can use remote authentication server database. In our training, I can show you how to do integration with LDAP server, Jason, okay? How to
Okay.
integrate our checkpoint device, checkpoint
Mm-hmm.
appliance with LDAP server. For
Yeah.
example, here you have your LDAP server. Wait, LDAP server this side. This is your LDAP server, Microsoft Active Directory server, you can say. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
ADDS server. And your domain name, let's take example, your domain name is
Yeah.
abc.com. So
Mm-hmm.
all the computers, they are the part of these computers, they are the part of this domain, Active Directory
Okay.
domain. All the user accounts are available into this centralized database, into
Mm-hmm.
this centralized database. And yes, in policy, you can attach your user account information in policy.
Okay.
If you have an integration, if you have an integration in between your checkpoint appliance and your ADDS, all the user accounts are available into this centralized database.
Yeah.
And these user accounts, user can log in on any machine, any
Mm-hmm.
machine. So user will log in with this username and password. Now he is initiating his traffic. Traffic will hit on firewall device, and based on your access policy, traffic is traveling. And this time your firewall Your firewall has full visibility. Firewall has IP address information and source user information. Okay. Now, firewall can verify, okay, which user account is trying to access this malicious application, which user account is trying to click on malicious link. Jason, clear my point?
Yeah, that's clear.
So here we can do integration. Okay. This is our first topic. This is our first scenario. First scenario where you have domain users. Okay, we have one more scenario to discuss in checkpoint firewall box. It's called in case if you have some guest user in your network. For example, these are what? Guest user. They are not permanent users. Jason.
Okay.
They are not permanent users. They are what? They are just guest user. And I cannot join these computers with this domain scenario. I cannot join because they are not permanent users.
Okay.
So for this, if you remember in FORTINET, for this in FORTINET, we can discuss captive portal, right?
Yeah, captive portal.
Captive portal, right? We can enable captive portal in FORTINET firewall scenario. We can enable captive portal onto this LAN facing interface. This inside machine, maybe you have a DSCP server in your network, and this DSCP server is providing all the information. Okay, this machine is adding his cable and is getting all IP address, mask, gateway, DNS entry, everything is okay. So when this inside machine will hit onto the LAN interface in FORTINET, if you remember, in FORTINET. So FORTINET will provide you a captive portal page, right?
Okay, yeah, yes.
Same concept we have in checkpoint. Same concept we have in checkpoint. This is called browser-based authentication. Okay?
Okay.
Browser-based authentication. So for guest user, you can go with captive portal, you can say, or you can go with the browser-based authentication. And otherwise, you can go with Active Directory scenario for domain users.
Okay.
Clear this task?
Okay,
So we are trying to, yes, Krishna. Yes,
to
Jason.
have the browser-based authentication, we need to have
It's called captive portal.
captive portal, yeah.
Yes. So we'll do both lab in our checkpoint firewall scenario. Okay, we already complete this topic in FORTINET.
Yes.
But now we are trying to do in checkpoint firewall scenario. So I have a same topology, okay? Same topology. So, okay, so the first task, let's prepare this LDAP server, okay?
Okay.
Let's prepare this LDAP server. This server I'm using as a Microsoft Active Directory server. Let's prepare this. And domain name is abc.com, for example. Okay, let's prepare this server as an Active Directory. This will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes. ncpa.cpl IP address, you can see as per our topology. IP address I'm using 192.168.1.155. Mask 255. Gateway is 192.168.1.5. This is checkpoint gateway IP, okay?
Okay.
Checkpoint gateway. Now DNS entry, same IP 192.168.1.155 and 8.8.8. So same server I'm using as an Active Directory server, and same server I'm using for DNS. Yes, sir. DNS. So let's try to prepare this. Wait.
Okay, so this is just a Windows server we configured.
Windows Server 2012, yes.
Okay.
So when you configure IP address, my point is when you configure IP address, you can start your server manager. You can click on add rules and feature. Click on next, next, next. Now you can select this Active Directory domain and service. Jason.
Okay. Yeah.
Now you can click on add feature. Now I'm trying to install DNS service. Click on add feature, click on next, 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 next. And now you can install this feature. Click on install. This will take time. Wait. In our topology,
Yeah.
I have one domain user, okay, for testing. I have one domain user and one guest user, Jason.
Okay.
Today we'll focus on domain user authentication.
Okay.
Guest user will discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
So wait, let me delete this domain machine because I was using this in other topology. So I'm using a new machine, Windows 7. New
Okay.
machine, Windows 7. Wait. It's a new machine and this is domain user machine. Start. Now. Now let's go on here. Click on close and now you can see here is a notification page. You can click on here notification. So promote this server as a domain controller. Yes, to a domain controller, you can click.
Okay.
Now you can select this option, add a new forest. And in our testing scenario, domain name is abc.com. You can click on next.
Mhm.
Now password. So password, I'm setting password here. So if anyone trying to remove this Active Directory, it's required password to remove. Click on next, next. Next,
Okay.
next, and now we can install. How to prepare Active Directory domain service. Remember our discussion in FORTINET firewall training.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
I'm following same step. See,
Mhm.
this topic is important, Jason. Okay, this topic is
Okay.
important because in real scenario you will always get Active Directory or LDAP server. Okay,
Mhm.
so you
Okay.
need to know how to do integration.
Okay.
You have idea about Fortinet, but now this is checkpoint. Then you can go with uh, Palo Alto. Same option we have in Cisco FTD scenario.
Okay. Okay.
Install, and now this will take time. And once it will install, okay, install, server
Mhm.
will restart automatically. So please wait
Oh,
5 minutes. Okay.
oh, okay. I was looking through the checkpoint configuration in our company, and I see that yeah, I mean, it has got only few physical interfaces, but it has got lots of sub interfaces for
Yes,
each.
sub interfaces. Yes, you can create sub interfaces like VLAN interface, Jason.
Okay.
Sub interface. I think we already complete our
Yeah,
deployment
we.
scenario. Yes, bridge mode and VLAN. Yes.
Yeah.
See, real network, you will always get sub interfaces concept because in LAN side we have multiple subnets, right? Right. So sub
Yeah.
interfaces are required, and like in checkpoint you are creating VLAN, and in Palo Alto you can create sub interfaces. In Fortinet we can create VLAN interfaces. It's a common concept. Sub interface concept we have in Cisco Firepower Threat Defense.
Mhm.
Now let's try to log in. So Active Directory is installed. Once you log
Yeah.
in, you can see this message abc/administrator. So
Administrator.
once
Yeah.
you log in, you need to reset your password. See, without reset
Uh,
your password, you cannot log in. So password, I'm using pass@123.
okay.
Okay, now let's verify Active Directory is ready or not. Okay, and DNS service is ready or not. How you can verify? So first you can check your Active Directory domain and service tab. Let me show you.
Mm.
You can click on here. You can search Active Directory. Active Directory. See, user and computers tab. Yes, it's available. And
Yeah.
our domain name. Our domain name is abc.com, right? See,
Yeah.
and this is centralized database. Here you
Mhm.
can create all your admin account, Jason.
Yeah. Yeah.
In our training, we'll create, okay?
Mhm.
Right now, this is what database, Active Directory user and computer database. Now let's verify DNS. DNS, so we can verify DNS setting, DNS. So SRV, this SRV is a host name of this device, host name.
Oh,
Now you can
okay.
expand this. So we have
Mhm.
forward lookup zone, reverse
Yeah.
lookup zone. Okay, what is forward lookup zone? What is reverse lookup zone? What is stub zone? What is secondary zone? This is not our task, okay? What
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
doing, I'm trying to prepare this server as a DNS. Okay.
Mhm.
Otherwise, they see how to prepare Active Directory, how to prepare DNS. This is the task of Microsoft Server Administrator. Yes.
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
testing, we are preparing. Okay.
Mhm.
So right click, you can right click on reverse lookup zone, click on new zone, next, 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 and network address. So we are using 192.168 one dot network, right?
Yeah.
Click on next, 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 finish. Done. Now you can
Okay.
refresh. You can right click on SRV. You can refresh. Right click on SRV. You can click on launch NSLookup. If you are getting response with IP address and domain name, your DNS is ready. But you can see we are getting some error message.
Mhm.
DNS
Yes.
request timeout something. Default
Yeah.
server is unknown. So for
Mhm.
troubleshooting, what you can do, you can open your LAN card setting, okay, for troubleshooting.
Mhm.
Ethernet LAN card. So you can see DNS IP is changed. So the first step, you can uncheck this IP version 6.
Yeah.
And second step is you can go in TCP IP protocol version 4. Now
Mhm.
DNS is changed. So let's configure DNS IP again, 192.168.155.
Okay. It's the same server. Okay.
Yes, now you can click on OK, click on close. You can verify now. You can refresh this SRV, and now you can just right click and select launch NSLookup. See, we are getting a proper response.
Okay.
Default server is srv.abc, right? and address is 192.168.1.55. DNS is ready. DNS is ready, Jason, okay? And
Okay.
Active Directory is also ready. So what we
Okay.
can do next, let's try to access this checkpoint management and gateway, okay? This is our
Okay. Yeah.
management PC,
Mm.
management PC, test 1, 2, 3. Let's try to access both devices. So I'm trying to access checkpoint gateway through Gaia portal. So we can verify IP address configuration. I think we are using 1.5. Let's check. This is checkpoint gateway. Show interface Ethernet 0. 1.1. Okay, 1.1. Wait. Let's check IP address. IP address on checkpoint management. Show interface Ethernet 0. Okay, let's change IP address on checkpoint gateway. Jason, okay?
Okay.
IP address on checkpoint gateway. So set interface Ethernet 0 IPv4 address 192.168.1.5 subnet mask 255.255.0. Now save config, show interface show interface Ethernet 0. IP address is changed. If I'm trying to access 1.5, this is checkpoint gateway. Wait.
Okay.
Checkpoint gateway, we can log in. So username admin, password test 123. This is checkpoint gateway device. You can verify with host name. Okay, see checkpoint gateway. Now let's try to access checkpoint management through checkpoint smart console application.
Well, the checkpoint IP address was not .5, right? I mean,
Gateway IP address is 0.5, 1.5 we are using.
that's management. No.
Management is 1.1 default.
That is 1.1.
Yes,
Okay.
1.1 default. Gateway we are using 1.5 now. See?
Okay. Yeah, 1.5. Okay.
Yes. Let's try to access 1.1 checkpoint management. Okay. Jason, can you hear me, dear?
Yes.
Okay, now. So let's go to gateway device. Gateway device. And gateway IP address. Okay, I think I need to change 1.100. Please wait. 1.100. Okay, let's go. Let's restart this new device. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
I'm not using 1.1. So new gateway is, or I think we can do change in this. Okay, wait. Let's, I'm not creating new entry. Okay, let's right click here, gateway, and I'm changing IP address only. IP address is what? Yes, 1.5,
5.
right? Communication, reset. So key, we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can click on initialize. Now done. You can click on OK. Yes, we have two interfaces, LAN interface and management. Jason, right now.
Yeah, yeah.
You can click on close. Now, here is the option. Now, I can click on OK. Let's publish this first. Wait.
Okay.
Let's publish this. Publish and install this policy. Click on install and install policy. See, gateway is now status is green, right?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Green. Okay, let's just start here. So now you can just right click on gateway and just click on edit. And we are trying to enable this identity awareness blade. This is our task. This is our topic.
Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
You can just
Okay.
select just checkbox. When you click on this checkbox, you can see we have two options, AD query and browser-based authentication.
Mhm.
So this is what captive portal. This one is what?
Okay.
Captive
Yep, yep.
port. And this is what? How to do integration.
Mhm.
So now let's go with the ID query. Okay, let's select this browser-based authentication because we'll do this practical tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So both options you can select. You can click on next. Now is asking for create a new domain. So domain is abc.com, right? As per our topology.
Yeah.
Username is administrator, ADMINISTR8UOR. Password, we are using pass@123. Now
Okay.
domain controller, so domain controller is abc.com. Oh, domain controller is IP address. So what is IP address? 192.168.1.155, I think. Let's verify again. Our Active Directory
Yeah,
server IP address.
155. Yes.
Yes. IP config 1.155, right? Now, if everything is okay, Jason, if everything is okay, you can
Yeah.
just click on connect. You can click on connect. Wait. It's taking time, so let's verify firewall feature is disabled or not. Wait, let me check firewall.cpl. Okay, wait, firewall is enabled. So let's turn off this firewall feature. Taking time. Okay, test could not complete. Check connectivity between management and gateway. Please wait 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Let's verify our connectivity. So I'm trying to verify my connectivity with 1.1. I'm getting a reply. Yes, I have a reachability 1.5. Yes, I have a reachability. What happened? Okay, no problem. Let's try again. Otherwise, I will restart this Active Directory and this checkpoint gateway. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. If again it's failed, so I will restart two devices, checkpoint gateway and LDAP server only.
Okay.
And you can face this issue.
Mhm.
Okay, in testing scenario, you can face this issue.
Okay.
Okay, yes, we are facing problems, so I'm trying to restart
Mhm.
this checkpoint gateway, and I'm trying to restart this Active Directory server. Wait. Let's restart this checkpoint management also. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. And I'm taking a break for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Let's take a break for 5 minutes.
Mhm.
Wait, let's restart first. Reboot. Okay, Jason.
Yeah.
Let's take a
Okay.
break for 10 minutes. Okay. We will continue at
Okay.
1:40
Okay.
because all devices will take time. 10 minutes break only.
Okay.
We will continue at 1:40. Please turn off your mic.
Okay.
Hello, Jason, can you hear me, dear?
Yes.
Jason, let's continue our topic now. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait. So we are trying to connect our Active Directory with checkpoint firewall device. Wait. So let's access through Gaia portal 1.5 IP address. 1.5 is a checkpoint gateway. Wait, let's try to log. Okay. Okay, so this is checkpoint gateway. It's okay now. And let's access checkpoint management. Jason, let's try now. Jason, can you hear me, dear?
Yes. Yes.
Let's try now. Identity awareness. Now click on next. So domain name is abc.com. Administrator. Password pass@123. And domain is 192.168 1.155. Okay, let's try again. Done.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So you can face this issue, okay, in testing scenario. So what you
Okay.
can do, you can restart all the devices.
Okay.
Jason.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
you can click on next. And this is for browser based authentication setting. Okay. So I'm not doing anything right now. Okay. We'll
Okay.
discuss right now. I'm trying to complete this identity awareness configuration. I'm not changing anything. Just click
Okay.
on next, click on finish. Now you can click on OK, click on yes, and now we can publish our configuration. Click on publish.
Okay.
Okay, so this will take time. This installation will take time. Let's create some user account on Microsoft Active Directory domain service. Let's
Okay.
create some user account here.
Yeah.
Because for testing, we need username and user account, group account. So we can create user account into this centralized database. So I'm creating marketing, sales, and HR. Okay. So new group I'm creating.
Yeah.
Marketing hyphen GRP is a group name. Let's create sales. So new and group is sales hyphen GRP. Now HR group. So HR-GRP. You can click on OK. Now user account. User account we can create. So user, yes. HR1 is a username. HR1 is a username. Click on next password, pass@123, pass@123. Now let's create a marketing user. So marketing1, marketing1, next password, pass@123, pass@123. And now I'm creating sales user account. So S1. S1 is a sales user. S1, pass@123, pass@123. Click on next and finish. Now we can add our users in groups. So as for in HR group, yes, I'm adding members and members are HR1. Let's search. Yes. So in HR group, we have HR user. In marketing group, I have marketing user. Let's add MKT. Marketing1 is a username. You can click on OK. You can apply. Now let's go to sales group. So I'm adding a user account here. So S1. Yes, click on OK, click on apply and OK. So yes, we have some user account into this centralized database, Jason. Okay, let's go on checkpoint device now. Checkpoint device now. So now I want to create policy. I want to create policy here. Wait. I want to create policy. So what I'm doing, I'm creating here access profile rule. What I'm creating, see, I'm going to user and access rule now I'm creating. Jason. Access rule. Okay, for this identity. Okay, access rule. You can give a name, for example, sales hyphen users. And now sales hyphen user from any network or specific network. So yes, I have a specific network. Specific network object is LAN network. So we can search our LAN subnet and user. So now here we can get user information. Any user, okay, all identified user or specific user and group. Yes, I have a database this time, right? If you click on plus sign, now you can see here is a domain information in checkpoint device. See? See, you can check all your user account, group account. If you remember, let's search. Let's search. Okay, wait. User, yes, user. Let's okay, wait. Let's search, no problem. Let's search. Okay, so remember our HR1. See? See? You can search your user account. Okay, let's check user account. We have HR1, then S1 is a sales one. And MKT1 is a marketing one. Okay, let's check this database. So MKT1, yes, see? Clear my point? You can add your user account. Let's continue this topic tomorrow, Jason, okay?
That's fine.
Let's finish this topic tomorrow. Okay.
That's good.
I hope this integration is clear right now.
The integration is okay.
Okay. Bye, dear. Take care. Tomorrow, I think same time, right? 1 p.m.?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay. Bye, dear. Take care. Bye.
Then bye.